There, my tulips, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Bliss. Warm welcome, welcome, welcome. So glad that you're stopping by. This is video 2. This is part of my hair diary series for 2024. So just showing you my 2-week update of wearing cornrows, which I typically wear underneath this wig, you guys. So yeah, so this is me with the wig on. I just took the bobby pin out, removing the unit. Yes, I do have a wig cap on underneath. The struggle is so real, trying to just feel beautiful again, you guys. I mean, it is the most difficult thing here. I'm ready to wear my natural hair internally, but physically just not ready. Here's week 2 with my ball cap on. I think I might have just come out from being out and about. Sometimes I get tired of wearing the wig, so I throw on a headband and a head cap to go out. So those are my baby hairs. You saw a little of the length there. Some of my braids were kind of just, I don't know, I didn't do a good job with braiding these particular cornrows. So the ones on the ends, just, I don't know, I don't even have the words. Anyway, this is the nape of my hair. You guys can see where I'm having sprouts of hair growing back there. Some of these areas are areas that require deeper love. Also, you guys remember this is where I was tapered. But yeah, so this is where I am, smooches. See you tulips in the next video.